During long runs or marathons, how do kidneys manage fluids, electrolytes, and blood pressure? Then we can go on to some of the harming effects or detrimental effects of strenuous exercise.
So short duration of activity, your body can manage without the lack of hydration and electrolytes. But when you talk about a marathon, which is running 42 kilometers, 26 miles over a period of 3 to 5 hours, bodies are not meant for that long sustained activity. So you are going to deplete your fluids, you're going to deplete your electrolytes, and you deplete your glycogen stores. So all these need to be repleted in an efficient manner to be able to perform during, and that is what you train for. Going into training, you get yourself used to depleting your electrolytes and adequately hydrating yourself, and then taking enough carbs to be able to perform those activities. And that is the key to training for any endurance activity, whether it is a marathon, ultra marathon, or triathlon.